How to use Canva AI Image Generator. Today I'm creating images using Canva AI. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to go to canva.com. Once you're set and logged into your account, you can basically start off by picking your canvas, or in other words, your template. You can use Canva AI generated image for all type of templates, presentations, videos, Instagram posts, or a custom created template. But for the sake of this example, I'll work on an Instagram post. But as I said, you can use Canva AI and create unique images for any type of project you're working on. You can also work on a custom size design like that. So you just go on create, custom size, and here you're going to be able to create the custom size you want. But for my example, I'm going to go to this search bar over here and I'm just going to search for Instagram post. So here, as you can see, you have two options for Instagram posts, one for portrait and the other one is for square. I'm going to be going with the portrait option right here. If you're curious about the sizes that Canva use for pre-designed templates, once you hover your mouse over one of the options, you're going to be able to see the measurements over here. So that's that. Now that I decided on the right type of template that I want to use, which will be portrait, I'm going to be clicking on that. So as you can see, Canva offers a bunch of super cool pre-designed templates that are fully customizable, but for this tutorial, I'll be selecting the blank option. So I'm just going to click on create a blank Instagram post. So this brought us to the Canva editor page. As you can see, we have this blank canvas, and now we can start to customize it with Canva AI images. So in order to do that, this is the fun part, we're going to go to the apps tab right here. So I'm clicking on it. Here in the search bar, you're going to search for Magic Media. So Magic Media will be the app that we're going to use throughout this video. It will be the option right over here. So you're going to click on that. Now, in this section for describe what you would like to create, what you're going to do is you're going to try to write a prompt that explains the type of image that you want to have. You can write like how you would literally write to ChatGPT. It works the same way. It's still prompting. For example, I'll be creating Instagram post for a fashion account. So for my prompt, I'm going to be writing create an image for an Instagram post about fashion or lookbook. So my prompt is create an image for an Instagram post about fashion or spring lookbook with a pink color scheme. On the style section, you can select a specific style such as watercolor, dreamy, filmic, photo, anime, but I think I'm going to be going with none. So this means that it can come up with whatever type of style that it wants. It will probably give me a couple of different options so I can also see. On the aspect ratio part, you can also select a specific type of ratio. So my template that I'm going to be working on today is a portrait. So I'm changing it from a square to portrait. And once I decide on my prompt, the style, and the aspect ratio, I'm going to be clicking on generate image. So now what Magic Media will do is it will come up with 4 pictures according to the prompt that I just gave it. I won't be able to find these images in any other part of the platform, and they will be unique to me. As you can see, Magic Media came up with 4 different types of images. You can take a look at them, click on it to see in your canvas, kind of zoom in, zoom out, decide what you like. You're going to be seeing your prompt, the style section over here. So if you, for example, don't like the styles, you can come over here and select a specific style and click on generate again and see what it will come up with. And as you can see, it came up with 4 different images with a specific style, which was photo. So let's say that I like this one because it goes well with my prompt and it goes well with my theme for my post. So I'm going to be clicking on it and kind of put it like that. And one cool thing that you can always do is, let's say that you like this one a lot and this was exactly what you wanted to use. You can click on this three dots over here. It will be available in all of the images. And here you will see an option for generate more like this. When you click on that, Magic Media will create 3 more images that are similar to this one. So there we have it. Magic Media has come up with 3 different images that I can use in my design. Now I can basically customize this further, place it in different ways to see what I like the best. So far this is how I am doing my design. Now I'm going to go back to my main page and I'm going to give it another prompt. So as you can see, for these designs, it came up with these very cool like flowers with leaves and all. So I'm thinking maybe I can add something over here to kind of go along with the floral theme. So in the prompt section, I'm going to say create a pink flower image with, so I have my prompt over here ready. So I'm gonna select the same style as I did for these 3 over here, which was photo. Then this is set on square, as I'm only going to be using it for this little box, like white box over here. It can stay on square. So now that all the 3 parts are nicely selected, I'm again clicking on generate image. So there we have it. It came up with 4 pretty cool images that I can go with. So for instance, I really like this one. So I think I'm just gonna keep it as this. So another super cool thing that I want to show you is basically how to work with templates and how you can customize and edit them. So for that, I'm going to be clicking on Add Page, and then I'm going to the Design tabs over here. So as we've discussed at the beginning of the video, Canva offers a bunch of super cool pre-designed templates that are fully customizable. So I'm going to be showing you how you can work with that in this page over here. So I selected this template over here. This is nothing from me. This was already designed. So what you can do is you can change the text, you can remove objects if you don't want them, and customize this template as much as you want and need. So I'm basically gonna adjust the pictures over here and replace the images with AI generated images. So to do that, I'm again going back to Magic Media. I'm in the images section, and here I'm going to say create an image of a pink shoe. I'm going to select photo as my style, and the aspect ratio will be portrait as first. I'm going to be replacing this one over here. Then I'm going to click on generate image. In the meantime, you can click on your existing image. This one has a frame attached to it. So you can go to the border color here, and what you can do is you can change the color to something else if you want. So now, as you can see, Magic Media has come up with 4 different pictures. I like this one over here quite a lot. So I'm going to drag it and drop it in my frame. What you can also do is double click on it, and then you can adjust the image. You can kind of place it in the way that you want, just like that. In the middle, I'm thinking maybe I can add a video. So to do that, I am going to the video section. So I'm going to be saying create a video of high heel shoe, and I'm going to click on generate video. In the meantime, you can go to graphics, and here maybe you can search for elements that you can incorporate to your Instagram post. I'm going to be saying create a pink flower graphic, and I'm going to leave the styles as it is, and I'm going to say generate graphics. So here it is. I like this one a lot, so I'm going to click on generate more like this to see if it comes out with anything better, but for now I am just gonna kind of make this smaller. And now I just received the notification saying my video is ready. So let's go and see the results. You can see the video is quite simple. It's just like turning around. There is a little effect on it. If I want to use this, I can again drag it and drop it to my frame. I can of course click on it and kind of adjust the positioning. I'm going to be sticking with images for the sake of this example, but again, you can always use videos as well, of course. Okay, now that we covered all elements of Magic Media, I want to show you an extra app. Again, going to the app section, and I'm going to be searching for mockups. So mockups is a very popular app in Canva. And what it does is it's basically gives you mockups that you can use. I like this one over here. And then I'm going to the upload section. Here I'll see all the elements that I previously generated from Magic Media. So for instance, let's say that I want to use this little picture over here. I'm taking it and then I'm placing it to my frame. And then I am enlarging this and positioning it like that. You can also do this the other way around. First, you can select a mockup and then you can go to apps and go to Magic Media to generate specific images for that. And here I'm going to say create an image of a model wearing a big pink skirt with a white top. For this last example, I'll show you a different style. So maybe we can go with retro wave. Let me show you how it looks within the frame. So I am taking it from the left side and then I'm dragging it to my frame over here. And there you have it. That's how you can create images with Canva AI.